Presenting Acer Aspire 5 gaming laptop in the color steel gray. The laptop has a thin 23.8 by 36.3 by 1.8 centimeters dimension and weighs 1.8 kilograms. Designed with high-speed processing with the latest 12th Gen Intel Core i5-1240P processor for a smooth gaming experience. The laptop is powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 4G GDDR6 VRAM. It has dual-channel DDR4 SD RAM support. The 16GB RAM memory installed size of DDR4 system memory is upgradable up to 32GB for using two DIMM modules. The 15.6 inches display with IPS, in-plane switching, technology, Full HD 1920 by 1080 and Acer comfyviewTm, LED backlit TFT, LCD delivers vibrant visuals. It also has FP on touchpad, Wi-Fi 6E2X2 Bluetooth, HD, TNR camera, Thunderbolt 4 and dual-channel 32GB. The dual fans with dual copper thermal pipes help the laptop from overheating. The laptop comes along with a power cord, adapter and user manual. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.